Hi guys, welcome to today's video. It's been a long time since I've done a market, but I decided to sign up for one this year. I think if you go back to the very beginning of my channel, it's maybe like the fourth or fifth video in, I did a little Christmas market and baked like a whole bunch of stuff, and I even gave like a little rundown of statistics of like how much stuff I brought and how much stuff I sold and how much I made and everything. So it's been a really long time. It's been almost 3 years, but I decided to sign up for a spring market and it's this weekend, so I'm preparing right now. I had so much fun doing that Christmas market, and I always said that I really wanted to do a market again, but there's been a lot going on in the last couple years, and also with COVID and everything, we're just finally getting back around to doing things like markets again. So I decided to break this market up into 2 different videos because I actually ordered some really fun stuff for this market, and I want to do like all unboxing of that now. Plus I want to show you guys some of the stuff that I've already prepped for the market. I showed like progress over multiple days of me preparing for the market, and it's only 2 days before right now. I've already done some preparing. Don't worry, I didn't leave it that last minute. For this video, we're gonna unbox everything and I'll show you all the stuff that I prepped so far, and then I might get a little bit of footage tomorrow just prepping more stuff, but I have so much to do still before Sunday, so I'm honestly debating pulling an all-nighter. Then I'm gonna do a second video where I take you guys along with me to the actual market. I'll pack everything up in my car, and then at the end of the next video I'll also do like a rundown of statistics of everything that I brought and how much I actually sold, what I had left over, and how much I made and everything, because I have been a little more prepared in that sense. I did create like an entire Excel spreadsheet of like what my estimated profit will be and how much all of my packaging costs, and I just broke everything down ingredient wise and everything. So okay, this is the thing that I'm most excited to unbox, so we're gonna unbox this first. I actually went a little more all out for this market and ordered a like food display case. I'm also really hoping that this comes already put together because I don't really have a lot of time right now with all the baking that I have to do to sit and play with this and put it together. Except it's a box inside of a box, so hold that thought. Which means I'm probably gonna have to put this together. It's supposed to look like this in the end, and I'm thinking that I'm gonna put like all of my cupcakes in here displayed because I'm gonna do 6 different flavors, and then hopefully like customers can see them all. I am gonna have to build that display case, but that's gonna take a few more than 5 minutes, so I'm just gonna open the rest of this packaging now. Ordered a lot of packaging specifically for this market. Some of this stuff I wouldn't have ordered if it weren't for the market. Okay, so this one just has the cupcake clamshells in it. This one just has the 6-packs. I ordered 6 packs of these, and then I also ordered dozens and singular ones because I wasn't sure if people were gonna want just 1 cupcake or 6 or maybe a dozen, but it's good just to have multiple options instead of using like a whole bunch of packaging if people wanted a dozen and I only had like 6s or singular ones. Here's just a look at the singular cupcake clamshells, and then I'll see, oh, here are the dozen ones. And then I also got dozen sized ones. I like to usually like bag my stuff up individually and then tie it with like white ribbon and curl it. So I got more cake pop bags. These are a smaller, different size than I've ever used before, but I feel like they'll kind of be the perfect size because if you have too big of size bags for cake pops, then they just, like, it's just a lot extra bag than you really need. So I just got little mini ones. And then these are kind of bigger than I needed, but these are for my cookies. They actually have a little strip here at the bottom. You probably can't really see it. You might be able to. That this part pulls off, and then it's like a self-adhesive thing where you just fold over. So those are really helpful for cookies. Lately, I've just been using these like Baked with Love stickers that I got off Amazon for folding over my bags because the ones that I got before didn't have this self-adhesive thing. So I got 2 of the bigger ones, and then the last bags I got are just these ones. These ones aren't self-adhesive. They're just like regular plastic bags, and they're a bit smaller than the cookie ones, but I got these for what I call like classic cookies. So I'll have sugar decorated cookies, and then I have like classic cookies, which are just your like chocolate chips, snickerdoodle, triple chocolate, and I had one other one, oatmeal raisin. For the classic cookies, we're to put like 6 stacked upwards in a bag and then kind of tie it with a curled ribbon at the tops. And then I just ordered a few things off of Amazon. They're not specifically for the market, but I do need some of it for the market. So I just got 1,000 of these just plain white cupcake liners. And then I have some tiered cakes coming up, so I just got like structural pieces for that. This isn't really that interesting. It's just dowels and like cake plates and stuff. And then the last thing that I got was just more of this edible gold to make edible gold paint. So I felt like I was really prepared this time, especially compared to last time. I just felt like I had way more under control and I kind of knew what I was doing basically until today. I don't know if I just thought that I had a lot more done than I actually do have done or what, but all of a sudden tomorrow is the last day to prepare for it and I have so much to do still. That's what I already have prepped in this freezer and ready to go. I don't know, I thought that I was doing a lot better this time. Okay, so I have a ton of cookies in the freezer. These ones are oatmeal walnut raisin actually. I had walnuts, so I just decided to add some into like half of the batch. And then down here I have my triple chocolate cookies and those are snickerdoodles. And then in this freezer we have more cookies, whole cutting board full of chocolate chip cookies. I think there's 48 on here, and then underneath I just have like a whole cutting board as well full of chocolate cupcakes, and there's more cupcakes under here too. I actually still have to make banana cupcakes tonight, so I'm gonna take a few of these up with me. There's a bunch of the sugar cookies I've already started to prep. I'm just doing like ice cream cones, and then I've got rainbows over there. I was trying to think of something that was like summery themed or spring themed. Last time it was Christmas, so it was really easy. And then I'm pretty sure that I had these last time, but these are just the same sort of signs that we're using for all the prices on everything. Got the classic cookies, decorated, oh, cupcakes, and then I think under here is decorated cookies. Yeah. So it's 4:45 right now, and I'm gonna work on baking cupcakes, I think. I really need to do the banana ones, and I just brought those dead bananas out of the freezer, so I'm gonna start with those. And then probably for the rest of the night, I will still continue to bake more cupcakes, and I'll leave tomorrow to mostly be a decorating day, except for the cookie dough balls, because I usually prep them like that so that I can bake them like 24 hours before so they're as fresh as possible. Okay, so we're able to get this little display case built, and I love it. It has little handles and it opens from the back, which is so cool. There's also a little spot on the front, just right here, if you wanted to add handles for the front so people could like pick stuff out themselves. But I think it'll just be easier if I just like grab stuff for them, and then it's just less hands touching everything, which is good as well. There's just these little shelves obviously to go with it, so I'm just gonna put those in now just so you can get the feel for it. Okay, here it is with the shelves in it, and I love it, and it actually snaps at the bottom here too. I think it's magnetic, which is really nice that these won't just fly open because it is an outdoor market. Okay, it's 5:04 right now on Saturday. It's the day before the market, which is like a day after yesterday. I just wanted to give you guys a little update on my progress, and I feel like I'm doing pretty well. I've got flamingo cookies going here that I'm actually gonna finish up in a minute, and then I also have some unicorn cookies that I just have to finish up. Over here, I also just finished these ice cream cookies, which turned out really cute, I think. I've just got vanilla and chocolate. And then we packaged up this morning all of the like just regular, what I call classic cookies, which are like oatmeal raisin and chocolate chip and triple chocolate and stuff. And then we started packaging some of the sugar cookies. These are the rainbow ones. So I have cake pops down here that I'm just gonna dip. I just did these a few minutes ago, and I just usually let them chill before I dip them. It's 12:27 a.m. right now and I'm exhausted. We finally just got everything done. I just have to put some honey on top of these cupcakes. I pretty much got everything that I wanted to done today, I think. I got like all these different kinds of cake pops, and then over here we have like different kinds of sugar cookies, and then I have like all of my cupcakes. I wanted to show you guys this packaging especially though, because I think it turned out so cute and it looks so professional. Fortunately, I didn't really have that many of them. I only had enough to make up 4 6-packs. There's half a dozen in there, but I think they still look really cute, and at least I'll be able to kind of like put them on display, and hopefully they'll sell out pretty fast. I'm just gonna keep them in the fridge overnight though.